Today we're gonna try something different. Today we're gonna recreate these lemon bars that I found from the BA Bake Club. Lemon is one of those fruits that a lot of people just write off as sour, and they don't really think about it unless they need it for something like savory for balancing out their dish or something. But lemon can actually be very tasty, especially in the dessert. And 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of regular granulated sugar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And combine. So now that we have like this wet sand consistency and it crumbles like that, now what we're going to do is transfer it to our pan. Right inside. I'm just going to move it around to make sure that it's spread evenly, and also make sure that there are no gaps so that this forms solidly. I learned this trick while watching John Cannell from Preppy Kitchen. He used a glass and he used the bottom of it to just run it over the dough to get it nice and smooth so that everything is nice and even and there is no gaps in your dough. And now the recipe says bake shortbread until golden brown on top, 33 to 40 minutes. So let's get this in the oven at 350 degrees for 33 to 40 minutes. Now we're gonna slice these lemons into little 1-inch slices so that we can get ready to put them in the blender and make our curd. Of lemon juice. And a teaspoon of kosher salt. Let's see how I did with this BA Bake Club recipe. I would give myself a 7.5 out of 10. They're very lemony, very bright. However, there were a couple things that I messed up on. I for sure overbaked the dough. It's just a little harder than I would like. And some of the lemon is a little runny, which means I used too much lemon. But overall, it tastes really good. It tastes just like a lemon bar. I would definitely make these again, and I would be more aware of my timing. don't always get it right. And that's the beauty of cooking, trial and error. Overall though, I'm proud of how it turned out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe or like and follow. For more recipes like this, see you next time.